close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all.
Hi guys, my name is Nikita and welcome to my channel. This is my first video on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you a top which I saw on Shein, and as we all know that Shein is banned in India. So I thought of recreating it. So without wasting any time, let's see how I recreated it. So first we'll need some paper, fabric, scissors, pins, mesh tape, markers and a top and some elastic. This is the fabric which I am going to use for my top. You can use any fabric, and if your fabric is transparent, make sure that you should use a lining inside. My fabric is not transparent, so I am not going to use any lining. If you are using lining, then you have to cut each and every part which I show in the video double. Now we will see some patterns which we will need for our top. First will be the back pattern. Our back will be divided into two portions, but not at the beginning. We'll cut it later. Then we will need two front pieces as shown in the picture like this, and we'll need two straps which we are going to tie to our front piece and with a ring in the middle. We'll need two sleeves. Our sleeves will be balloon sleeves. Then we'll need two hook putties which we will be attaching it to the back. Now, keeping the main fabric aside, we will start tracing our patterns on the paper first. It is very important to trace it on the paper first. So I'm going to take a top which fits me well and fold the paper like shown in the video. Also fold your top and place it on the paper. Start marking points at the edge of the top. Make sure you leave ½ inch of seam allowance. Mark points at the armhole as well, like this, and then join the points of the side. I'm going to keep my end of the top straight. Now you can join the armhole with points like this. If you are not regular with joining the points like this, then you can also use French curve to just mark your armhole. Join all the points and then cut it. Now as we have a back portion, fold it into half and place it on another paper. Do not fold the paper on which you are placing the back portion. Now mark all the points of the back like I am doing in the video. After marking the points, I am going to join all the points and then take the circle which you are going to insert in your top. Keep it and measure the diameter. My diameter is 2.3 inches. I am going to mark 3.5 inches vertically and 3.5 inches horizontally, and I am going to make a square. After joining the square, the upper left corner of the square should be joining to the shoulder point. After attaching both of them, the front piece is ready. So this is my front piece and this is my second front piece. I have marked both of them on same paper only. So now we will mark our sleeves on the newspaper. Place your sleeves like this on the folded area of the newspaper. Place it nicely. Same like the top, mark the edges like this. Mark the points of the armhole, join the armhole and then join all the points of the sleeves and then cut it. Now open the sleeves which you have cut it like this. Place it vertically. I am going to reduce some part from the down because I want my sleeves to be 3/4, and then mark a straight line in the middle. Now start marking lines like this how I am doing on the paper. Make sure that you leave some gap in between them. I am not taking any measurement, I am marking them randomly. After marking all the lines, start cutting them. While cutting from the bottom, make sure that you should not fully cut it. Keep some space at the top. After this, start cutting each and every line like this and cut the whole pattern. Now place the pattern on another newspaper and start spreading the pattern. As soon as you are done spreading the pattern, take some tape and tape each and every corner of the pattern so that it doesn't move when you will be marking. Tape down the whole pattern. Now start marking points through the edges of the pattern. And then remove the tape. Do it carefully, do not tear the paper when you remove the tape. Now mark all the lines like this from the points which we have drawn. After doing this, cut it. Now we will mark the straps. I am going to make my straps of 2 inches and the length of my strap will be 20 inches. You can increase the length and width as you like it and as you want it. Draw a rectangle like this and then cut it. Now for the hook putty, it is important to measure the length of your bag and then you have to cut 2 hook putties. For the width, I am going to keep 1 inch. Now we will have like these pieces. I forgot to add sleeves into this, but yes, we have to cut the sleeves as well. Now place your paper cuttings like this on the main fabric and pin it. Pinning helps the process to make it very easy. Your fabric doesn't slip away. So pin each and every paper piece like this on the main fabric and then cut it. Now fold the back into half like this. Do it very carefully and very well and then cut it from the center. Now we will have 2 back pieces like this and then now hem the neck and the bottom of the back pieces. Do it for the both of them. Now for the front, hem the neck and the bottom part as well, and for the sleeves, hem the bottom. Now for the straps, fold them keeping the right side inside and give a long stitch on them. Secure one end and keep one end open. Now I have hemmed all the pieces of front and back, and then now I'm going to place the pieces like this, the right side up of the back pieces and the right side down of the front pieces like this. After placing all the pieces, take a pin and secure it like this and give a stitch on both the shoulders. After giving stitch to the shoulders, take the circle which you are going to insert in the middle like this and place it like this. After folding the edges rightly, secure it with pin. Do it for both the sides and then stitch it. You should be very careful and slow while doing this because you might break the needle of your sewing machine, so you need to be very careful when you'll stitch it. Now for the straps, from the end which is closed, take something like this to flip the strap and flip the strap to the right side. Make sure that you will keep the edges of the strap neat when you will flip it. After flipping the strap, the end which is open, fold it inside like this and give a stitch on it so that it will be secured. As I have attached the ring to the front part, now it's time to attach the straps. Place the strap like this, fold it inside and place it and give a stitch on it. Now attach the strap to the front part as well, like this. I forgot to do it, I'll do it later. Now it's time to attach the sleeves to the fabric. Place your sleeves like this, placing the right side down, and fold the sleeves into half and make a cut at the folded part. So now place the sleeves center with the part where the shoulders are attached and add pins like this, and then stitch the sleeves. After attaching the sleeves, it's time to attach the elastic at the end of the sleeves. Now mark the width of your elastic and fold the fabric like this and give a stitch. Give a stitch like that your elastic should go through it. See how I have gathered the elastic and there are nice gathers at the end. Now attach the hands like this from the sides and also the sides of the top. After doing this, now we are going to attach the hook putty. Place the hook putty facing the right sides down and give a stitch at the corner so that it folds like this. Now after attaching the hook putty, add some hook and eye to your top at the back. Now the fabric which we have folded while attaching the ring may come out when you wear the top, so give a hand stitch to it so that it secures in place. And now you're done. So guys, hopefully you enjoyed my video. Please let me know in the comment section that how was my video, was it helpful for you, or your comments, whatever it will be. And yes, if you like my video, please like the video, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends, and also hit the bell icon to know about my more upcoming videos. So see you till the next time. Bye.